Hi, this is Joe at the Pocono Mountain Public Library. We just got one of our book orders in today, so we thought we'd open it up for you to see. So let's get to it. All right. Woo! All right. So let's see what we have today here. What's on top here is Oprah Book Club book for 2020. Cast, The Origins of Our Discontents. The author is a winner of the Pulitzer Prize. She wrote The Warmth of Other Suns. All right. This looks like a fun one. It looks like an autobiography of Alex Trebek. I was reading about this one. What's really cool about this one is each chapter is framed like the game show. So he has a chapter, the answer is, what is punctuality? So that's pretty clever. I was looking at this one. I might read this one pretty soon. The next one, this one is in a wrapper for some reason. The Year of the Witching. It looks like a horror novel. Next, we have we have Trouble the Saints by Alaya Dawn Johnson. Or it might be Alaya Dawn Johnson. Next one we have, this looks like a young adult novel. It's called With the Fire on High by Elizabeth Acevedo. Oh, it looks like this is definitely going to be a young adult novel. This looks like it is a tie-in with the Black Panther. Shuri, and it's by New York Times bestseller Nick Stone. It's a Black Panther novel. You know, rest in peace, Chadwick Boseman. Next book we have is another New York Times bestseller, The Color of Law by Richard Rothstein. Oh, and I was looking at some descriptions of these two books earlier this week. These are romances, and they are very, very popular, but I can't remember really any of the details. I believe the first one is Get a Life, Chloe Brown by Talia Hibbert, and it's a series, so this is a Take a Hint, Dani Brown, also by Talia Hibbert. Looks like it's a series, but I don't know much about this series, I won't say anymore, but I know it's very popular. And this looks like an interesting title. Fear Less, Fail More, and Live Bolder, Brave, Not Perfect. Just like I'm not perfect. And last but not least, this is the Hellbound Heart by Clive Barker. This is actually the book that Hellraiser from the 1980s was based on. It's a very famous horror movie. It's a cult classic. I've been wanting to read this for a while, actually, so I'm glad we finally got it. Looks like it's
perfect for Halloween time.
Perfect for Halloween time. It looks like a quick read, too. So if you're looking for a quick afternoon read, it's only about 150 pages. That's about novella length. And, well, if no one else requests it, I think I'll take a look at it. That concludes our unwrapping for today. Until next time, this is Joe at Pocono Mountain Public Library, and be well and be safe.